Hello friends, my name is Purvasha Mishra. Welcome back to our Panasonic YouTube channel, Unwind the Chef in You. So today I'm going to share with you how we can prepare Baigan Bhujia in our Panasonic microwave oven. How we can prepare Baigan Bhujia in a very easy and simple way in our machine. So let's check out. So the ingredient here is very simple. Here we can see that the brinjal slices, baigan slices are already taken, and as we marinate the baigan in our way, it has been done in the same way. So here I have taken baigan slices and marinated with 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of sugar. So first of all, here I am going to preheat the machine in grill function. So let's press the machine grill. G1 is the temperature or the unit. Here we can see G1. After pressing grill, here we can see G1, and now I will set it for 3 minutes and then start. The machine is completely empty from inside. Now here the machine is preheated, and here you can see that already I have placed the brinjal slices on this crispy plate. So let's put the high rack, as we are using the grill function, so we should use a high rack and place this on the high rack. Close the door, press the grill button once again and keep it for 10 minutes and then start. So the time is up. Let's check the brinjals. Wow, so nicely you can see. With so less oil, we can fry brinjals in this way in our Panasonic microwave oven. So here I have placed the brinjal slices on a plate, and this is how we can prepare in a very less oil in Panasonic microwave so nicely. And let me tell you one thing, that it is a very common dish in West Bengal, which is known as begun bhaja, and it is commonly served in main course along with other dishes. So see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.